Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Salesforce Audit Trial is available especially for administrators to track recent setup changes in the organization. Setup Audit Trial feature is available only for the user and admins who have view setup and configuration permissions. We can download our organization's setup audit trial for the last 6 months. Navigation of View Setup Audit Trial, Setup, Settings, Security, View Setup Audit Trial. So to see the navigation, just log into our Salesforce account. Setup, Settings, Security, View Setup Audit Trial. View Setup Audit Trial. The last 20 entries for your organization are listed below. You can download your organization's Setup Audit Trial for the last 6 months in excel.csv file. So here we are seeing the details what we had did right now. So date, which user had did this modification, source, namespace, prefix, action, section, dedicated user. So all the information we are seeing over here in View Setup Audit Trial. Login history basically talks about the users who log into the org, whether the login is successful or failure, and how they basically login via browser or login via API. All these information available at login history. In login history, we get information about username, login time, source IP, location, login type, status, browser, platform, application, client version, API type, API version, login URL, and HTTP method. Navigation for login history, setup, settings, identity, login history. To see the navigation, just log into our Salesforce account. Setup, settings, identity, expand this, then login history. So this is the login history view we are seeing. Download the last 6 months of login history or filter and show up to 20,000 records of login history for the last 6 months. So here it's giving the facility to save the file, type in CSV file or zip file. So download option file contents is all logins, HTTP get logins only, TLS 1.1 logins only, website logins only, and here there is a download now button. So here we are seeing the username, login time, source IP, location, login type, status, browser, platform, application, client version, API type, API version, login URL, and HTTP method. So if all we need the information of login, we can took from here. So by this way we can track our login history. Thank you.